I lost everything. My savings, my stability, my sanity. But that was just the beginning. Here is how I turned failure into an 8-figure business and what you need to know about the true cost of success. Today, I'm going to talk about how hitting my personal rock bottom launched my million-dollar empire. I was born and raised in Hebei, China, a place that shaped the foundations of who I am. In 2011, I took a leap of faith and moved to the Netherlands to pursue my master's degree. Life seemed to be unfolding perfectly. After graduation, I landed 3 different corporate jobs, each better than the last, with a great salary. I bought my own house, my own car, the markers of success, or so I thought. But as the world around me seemed to shine, a storm brewed within. Beneath the surface, I was just falling apart. There was like a voice inside me, growing louder each day, telling me that this life wasn't enough for me. I was hungry for more. More meaning, more purpose, more of everything that truly mattered, really. The desperation clawed at my inside, and by 2018, I found myself at a breaking point. After ending a very unhealthy relationship, the walls finally caved in. I spiraled into a major burnout, one that forced me to stop everything. On the worst days, I couldn't even care for myself, honestly. I hid away from friends and family, drowning in the shame and confusion. My mind couldn't process what was happening to me. I was lost. I was so disconnected from the culture I grew up in and the life I thought I wanted. This darkness just enveloped me for nearly a year. But there, in the depths of despair, I found a flicker of strength. I was so tired. I was tired of my own misery, tired of being stuck. And it is in those moments of exhaustion that true growth begins. Therapy became a lifeline for me, pulling me out of this darkness bit by bit. I learned that my burnout wasn't because I had done too much, actually, but because I had done too much of what I didn't love. So slowly I started to listen to my heart. I began running, exercising, and discovered a passion for making cocktails. I even went to Barcelona to earn my bartending license. Along the way, I stumbled upon the world of selling on Amazon. With new determination, I just drove in head first. I took courses, joined masterminds, and became an Amazon seller. I poured everything I had into this new venture. But within 2 years, I had to liquidate 2 brands and lost almost all my savings. I was devastated, defeated. And then, in the midst of that defeat, I met Rutger, the man who would later become my husband and my partner in every sense. We shared our dreams and visions for life, and it was like we had known each other forever. In 2020, as the world shut down, I sold my house, my car, put all my belongings into a small storage room, and moved into an 8-square-meter room of a friend at that time. With that money, I started over from scratch. I threw myself into personal development, devouring books, attending seminars with Tony Robbins, and pushing myself beyond every limit I thought I had. I worked 14-hour days every single day. My life became a cycle of work and workout, with no time for anything else really. Some friends drifted away, unable to understand this obsession of mine. I felt extremely lonely, but I kept going. Then one day, Rutger and I decided to join forces to build something together. In April 2021, after countless failed attempts, one of our stores finally made $1,000 in a single day. The sound of that cha-ching was the sweetest music I had ever heard. We were ecstatic, barely sleeping from the excitement. But as quickly as it came, the success faded. The cha-ching went silent, and for 6 long months, we heard nothing but the echo of our own anxiety. We kept pushing, trying new products, new marketing angles, grinding through every obstacle possible. Money was running out, and the pressure was mounting. Then, in November, it just happened. We hit our first 6-figure months. Seeing that number on our vision board come to life was just indescribable. It was a moment of pure joy, a testament to the perseverance we had poured into our dream. From there on, we just continued to build. We hired a team, and the next year, we reached 7 figures in revenue, and then 8 figures. It sounds like a dream, but let me tell you, it's far from the sunshine and rainbows it seems. We faced struggles after struggles, big bumps on the road, and many, many moments of doubt. In my future videos, I will share the mistakes we made and the lessons we learned along the way. Because the journey of building your own business is the most spiritual one you can ever take. It demands everything from you, seriously. And your level of success will always be tied to your levels of personal growth. Even now, I just feel I'm just getting started. It's not about the money you make, but about the person you become on this journey. And that, I believe, is the true meaning of it all. My name's Jing. I upload content every week about mindset and proven strategies for starting and scaling your own 7-figure e-commerce businesses. If you like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.